Hello everyone, I am Jeevan from the Tech Phantoms team, and today I will be presenting to you the Ultravest. So you may be wondering what exactly the Ultravest is. Well, it's just a normal high-vis jacket with 4 additional ultrasonic sensors. What the ultrasonic sensors do is they measure the distance any obstacle or person is away from you and report back if they are within 2 meters and alert you via the vibrators and LEDs. So, this consists of 4 ultrasonic sensors, 1 on each side, front, left, right and back, 1 Raspberry Pi Zero. I've chosen this model of the Raspberry Pi because it is small and convenient. Female to female wires. These are to attach the Raspberry Pi to the components. And 1 k ohms resistors and 2 k ohms resistors, 4 of each. These are to make sure that the ultrasonic sensors do not exceed the amount of voltage.
Before we set up the final product, I have set up all the wiring to test it. The code is currently running on the Raspberry Pi and it is connected to a power bank. The front is working fine. The left side is also working fine. The right side is also working fine. And the back side is also working fine. That's it.
So why exactly did we create the Ultravest? Well, we created it to aid the visually impaired when they're walking on the road, as they can't exactly be sure of what's going on around them. This could lead to severe accidents. But the Ultravest can solve this problem. It alerts the blind with its attached vibrators to indicate whether or not there are any obstacles. It is also very useful for the current coronavirus situation, as it can detect motion up to 2 meters, which is good for social distancing and would overall reduce the health risk of infection.
Here on this slide, you can see the connections for our project. All the grounds of the ultrasonic sensors, resistors, and LEDs and vibrators are connected to one port on the Raspberry Pi, which is over here. The same happens with the positive 5-volt chargers, which are all connected over here. The LEDs and vibrators are not connected to the positive port because they need to receive a signal to tell them to activate. That's why they are each assigned a specific GPIO point, which will give them the signal when the ultrasonic sensor receives a signal from its echo pin. The echo pins are connected to its own GPIO points and the ground via 2 resistors, the 1.1 k ohms one and the 2 k ohms one. The trigger pin is the one that sends the signal out of the ultrasonic sensor. The echo is the one that receives the signal. The trigger pin is also connected to its own GPIO point, but it does not require its own ground or positive charge. Thank you for listening to the presentation. I hope to see you soon. Bye.